Shocking confessions of a celebrity chef, the forbidden fermented ingredient that's been secretly enhancing flavors in five-star kitchens. In the hallowed halls of haute cuisine, where secrets are guarded like state treasures, a revelation has emerged that's shaking the culinary world to its core. A celebrity chef known for their Michelin-starred dishes has finally unveiled a long-kept secret ingredient that's been the unsung hero in five-star kitchens. This ingredient? Black garlic. A fermented wonder that's been quietly elevating gourmet dishes into the realm of the extraordinary. The unveiling of black garlic. Black garlic, often hailed as forbidden due to its rarity and unique processing, is regular garlic that has undergone a slow fermentation process under controlled heat and humidity. This transformative process not only changes its color to a deep, inky black, but also amplifies its flavors, imbuing it with a complex sweetness and tangy undertones, devoid of the sharpness of its raw counterpart. The accidental discovery. Legend has it that black garlic was discovered accidentally in Asia when fresh garlic bulbs were left fermenting in a rice cooker for an extended period. This serendipitous mistake led to the creation of an ingredient that boasts a molasses-like richness and soft, chewy texture, a true culinary gold. The flavor revolution in gourmet kitchens. Our celebrity chef whistleblower shares that black garlic has been the secret weapon in their arsenal for years. It's been used to add depth and complexity to sauces, elevate the umami in meat dishes, and even as a standalone ingredient in avant-garde desserts. Its ability to add a layer of flavor sophistication has made it a darling among chefs who dare to push culinary boundaries. How you can use black garlic. The beauty of black garlic lies in its versatility. Here's a simple yet elegant way to incorporate it into your home cooking. Black garlic butter spread. Ingredients: 1 bulb of black garlic, 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened, a pinch of sea salt, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Method: blend the black garlic into a smooth paste, mix it with the softened butter, add salt to taste and herbs for an aromatic touch. Spread it on warm bread, melt it over steamed vegetables, or use it to finish grilled meats. The result is a buttery spread that's both familiar and exotic, sure to impress at your next dinner party. The health bonus. Beyond its tantalizing flavor, black garlic is also a powerhouse of antioxidants with twice the amount found in regular garlic. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's a health booster. This revelation about black garlic is more than just a culinary scoop. It's an invitation to explore the uncharted territories of flavor in your kitchen. The world of fermentation is rich with possibilities, and black garlic is just the tip of the iceberg. Craft your health. Cultivate your life. Dawn. Follow us on our socials for more insider kitchen secrets, recipes, and gourmet tips. Share your experiences with black garlic, and let's embark on a culinary adventure together.